Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've got your Panda dunks ready. Start by picking a flat, 45-54 lace for the classic look. Thread one end through the bottom inside eyelets, pulling until halves are even. Make sure the bottom bar is snug but not tight. This sets base tension and prevents heel slip. Once both sides match, cross the laces once and bring them up to the next eyelets. This first pass creates symmetry and tells you if you need shorter or longer laces for your preferred finish. Now choose the midsection style. Crisscross for everyday security or straight bar lacing for a clean top that shows the black and white panels. You'll cross laces under or over depending on tension. Crossing under reduces pressure on the tongue. Make incremental adjustments as you progress so both sides stay even. If you prefer a low bulk look, feed the lace tips inward and tuck under the bars near the tongue. This reduces knot size and keeps the silhouette sleek. To finish, pull the laces to equal tension up to the top eyelets and tie a snug, low-profile knot. Double it only if you need extra security. If excess lace flaps, trim and heat seal the ends or tuck them into the shoe. This prevents fraying and keeps the Panda aesthetic clean. If you notice uneven spacing or twist, loosen the upper rows, realign the tongue, and resymmetrize from the bottom. This quick reset fixes most fit problems without relacing completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.